Greetings, fellow travelers. This is Gerald, the World Traveler. We are going to visit Lithuania's capital city, Vilnius, but I want to tell you a little bit really quickly about this video. It is a raw video. There will be no fancy music or anything. This is just a series of video clips taken from my most recent trip to Lithuania this past summer. And I want to take you along with me, and I hope you enjoy the pictures as well as the video clips. So Vilnius is a large city. Okay. It's not like, it's kind of reminding me of home. All right, so this is the entrance into the lobby. When you come in, and they have lots of artwork, and the elevators are right there, the reception desk is there, and then this is just the open lobby area. There is a restaurant over here to our left, and that's where breakfast takes place. And then here is just the general seating area. You know, when you're just hanging out, not doing much of anything. The hotel is a beautiful hotel. My room is over there right now, but this is what we were seeing from the women's perspective. Okay.
Yeah.
the bell.
Aš vien kaip jis man turi misiją apie Dievą kažką pasakyti. Atsistokit.
So there's a solid population of Hare Krishnas here in Vilnius, Lithuania, and I just happen to be walking up a street where they're singing. Yep, the real Hare Krishnas, guys.
Labiau žaidė su Kyrinu Tripieru, kairiajame gynybos krašte, bet ne iš gero gyvenimo, nes tas Kopšo irgi atvyko dar gydydamasis traumą, dar tik atsigaudamas. Pirmasis kampinis, sužaidus beveik 5 minutės, Nikolaievas atsiunčia kamuolį prie artimojo Lipsto, ten pavyksta apsiginti Belingemui.
This is water coming up out of the ground. It's hard to see because of the lights. There you go. That's the cathedral right behind the trees. So tonight is the final night that I will be in Lithuania before heading back to the States. It's been a beautiful trip. I've learned a lot. I've experienced a great deal. I've made some very good decisions, I believe. So, yeah, this is it. Last night. Took some photos. Well, thank you for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And check me out on YouTube, Gerald the World Traveler. Have a great and fantastic day. And remember, make memories each and every day.